heart of the lush green jungle. The sun was shining brightly. Tall trees stretched high into the sky, and colorful flowers bloomed everywhere. It was a peaceful morning, and all the animals were busy with their daily routine. Among these animals, there was an elephant named Ela and a giraffe named Gina. They lived opposite sides of the jungle, but had heard about each other from the other animals. They were curious to meet Ela. The elephant stomped through the jungle, her big feet making a rhythmic thud. Gina the giraffe was munching on leaves from the tallest tree she could find, stretching her long neck up and down. They both turned and see each other for the first time. Ela. Hello, you must be Gina. I've heard you're our tallest animal in the jungle. Gina. And you must be Ela. I heard you have biggest animal and biggest ears. Finally, we meet. They both smiled happy to meet a new friend. Suddenly, the loud noise echoed through the jungle. It was the sound of a small, frightened monkey named Max. He was swinging from tree to tree, but got stuck on the top of the all trees. The branches were too high for him to climb down safely. Max, help, help, I'm stuck. Ela and Gina looked up and saw Max in trouble. They wanted to help, but they knew the tree was too high for Ela to reach, and Gina's long neck couldn't bend that far. Ela, oh no, what can we do to help Max? Gina, I have idea. I can reach these tallest branches, but I need a boost from you. Ela thought for a moment and then smiled. I'll help you, Gina. You can stretch your neck higher if I help you lift up with my trunk. Together, Ela used her strong trunk to lift Gina, who stretched her neck higher into the air. Reach the top of branches. Gina, I've got you, Max. Hold on tight. With her long neck, Gina carefully grabbed Max and placed him on her back. Ela and Gina worked together to lower Max safely down to the ground. Thank you so much. You saved my life. Ela and Gina beamed. Feeling proud of their teamwork, they realized that by climbing to strength, they could solve any problem. Sit now on the ground. Jump up and down in the joy. You two are amazing. I went you through a party to celebrate your teamwork. Gina and Ela agreed, and soon all the animals in the jungle gathered for a big celebration. There was a dancing, singing, and plenty of jungle fruit to enjoy. Ela, it's so much fun. We are together. Gina, we make a great team together. We can do anything. With the animals cheered and laughed, celebrating their new friendship and the power of teamwork. The jungle felt even more beautiful that day with all the animals united in the happiness. At the end of the day, the sun goes down and the stars go up. All the jungle animals said goodbye and headed home. Ela and Gina stood together watching the stars. They were happy to have helped a friend and learned a value of teamwork together. Ela, what a great adventure. I am glad we met today. Gina, me too. Ela, we make a great team. I'm sure we'll have many more adventures together. With that, elephant and the giraffe walked into the jungle, excited whatever anew the jungle would brings. Another adventure story goes to end. I hope you liked the video. If you like, don't forget to share, subscribe, the other cartoon for kids. We will meet you in the next exciting adventure story. Until goodbye.